Oof. This is a rough one. This is a rough one. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we have a super interesting episode. I'm in Atlantic City, New Jersey, at Landshark. When I was in 6th grade, my teacher called Atlantic City America's armpit. So there's that. We're at the Landshark. It's located right here on the beach. And before we even jump into the review itself, it's important to note that you are most likely never going to find a good old-fashioned in any beach town across the entire country. People are drinking margaritas, they're drinking daiquiris, they're drinking fruity rum drinks, etc., etc. Old-fashions, they don't go hand in hand with a beach town. With that said, a couple weeks ago, we had the worst old-fashioned ever. Compliments to my friend Davey Jones, who made it for me. I don't think this is gonna be worse than that, but here we go. Look at this, brother. Look at that. Look at it. You guys know how this works. It's 0 to 3 on appearance, first sip, overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. Let's do the ambiance real quick. I'm on the beach. Literally the water's right there. Indoor, outdoor kind of bar. People are performing music on the boardwalk. Seagulls are stealing people's French fries left and right, shitting on everyone on the beach. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. I'm gonna go full 1 off of ambiance.
Roll down on this thing.
No, I could walk. I could use the exercise.
Atlantic City is its own world. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. All right, full 1 off of ambiance. Let's get into this appearance. Okay, again, we're on a beach town. They most likely maybe can't use glass because they fear it'll get into the sand. So it might be a bit of a safety issue. So they give me the little plastic guy. Definitely muddled everything. You can see like muddled orange throughout it. Is it even an orange seed on the bottom of it? Oof. This is a rough one. This is a rough one. There is 2 cherries. There is an orange peel. I'm gonna go 0.5. Here we go, first sip. Speechless. I mean, it's 82 degrees, no single cube, so the ice is melting super fast. It's pretty much an old-fashioned slushy at this point, and that's exactly what it tastes like. 1.2 off first sip. I can't really sit here and sip this for the next 5 minutes and tell you about the consistency because there is gonna be no consistency. The ice is going crazy fast. So here we go, overall. Jesus. Okay. 1 flat. I think that's a 3.7. 3.7. Landshark, Atlantic City, New Jersey. America's armpit. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, y'all.